Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2940th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Thank you for tuning in. Traders, I'm not standing in the video room right now. Would you like to know why? Temperature in Las Vegas, please.
It's 111 degrees in Las Vegas right now.
I think I'll stay down here in the air conditioning. We'll go up into the office we'll go up into the video room tomorrow and do a more comprehensive video. So for tonight, so I don't melt, video 2940 will be coming at you in the desktop shoot version. Please remember how trading is risky. If you didn't know trading was risky, you've never traded before, I promise you. Once you've traded a couple of times, you'll know trading's risky. Please be careful, put your stops in first. What's going on for trading on the 15th of July, which is a Tuesday, 2025? The OMNI turned neutral. Put the brakes on. The OMNI has got very mixed signals. Overall giving me a neutral if trading E-mini, S&P, Nasdaq, Russell for trading on Tuesday. But there's a lot of other markets out there, kids, and the Omni's got a beat on a bunch of stuff. It's looking at metals and grains and you name it and some stocks. So I'm sure we'll find something to play with out there. So anyway, here's what you're looking at. Here's where the Trump tariffs came into play, and we went down that low. And since then, we've made it all the way up here, and I call this the Trump got it all wrong rally. He got it all wrong. Look at it. Of course, according to the people out there, Trump's getting this wrong. According to the market, which understands the truth and doesn't just, nebulously put some thoughts into its patterns. The market, the chart itself is not human. It thinks so far the tariffs have been good for our markets. I'm not going to argue with the chart ever. But the people who are saying Trump got it wrong, the chart doesn't say that so far as raising tariffs. That didn't blow us up. We're not talking political or anything. We raised tariffs. That's a market thing. It did not blow us up so far. This is the Trump got it all wrong rally, facetiously, of course. Traders, one of the things that's most important about this video is I want you to click the link below and I want you to join my free webinar this Thursday, 3 p.m. in the afternoon. This Thursday, don't miss it. I'm going to work very hard. I'll do a bunch of charts. We'll see where markets are going, where they've been, where they should be going next, and you can do that with me. So what else do we have out there? Let's take a look. Let's see what I have for you. I thought I'd show you this. And then I'd say, oh, yes, we had targets on a couple of charts yesterday's video. Boom, boom, boom. Ethereum, we had a 3,100 target for Ethereum. And Ethereum got to $29.90. To $30.95. Yeah, it traded up to $30.95. So just about 3,100's been hit. Ethereum's still looking good, but nothing goes straight up, as you know. And Ethereum's got this little gap down here, so you never know if it wants to fill it. But so far, Ethereum hit the first target of 3,100 or just under. And then I wanted to show you this. Everybody loves this. Check this guy out. You're going to love it too. Bitcoin. Guess what Bitcoin just did today? Today. Hit my 121 target, traders. Is that not almost impossible for anybody to do? How do we come up with these targets? How does Omni get this right? Look at that. It's insanity. So it hit the target. If you recall, I started earlier this year with 92.4 for one target and 102. Both targets got hit. We gave out another target of 121. And if you've been watching my videos on my whiteboard, in every video for the past, 8 months, we've got another target for Bitcoin on the whiteboard. Once we get past this one, we'll talk about the next. Your next target is 126. That has been sitting on my whiteboard, on the left side of the whiteboard, in just about every video you've seen for this year. You'll see it in my next video. You'll see it in all my last videos if you check the channel. So that is your next target for Bitcoin. How about a round of applause for technical analysis, kids? Is that not unbelievable? How well can you call a market using technical analysis? With that in mind, guess what we did today? We lost money in Nasdaq using technical analysis. We got in the OMNI trade. It went profitable for a while. It went against us for a while. And then we got out of the trade with a losing trade. Never got stopped out, but we did have a losing trade for trading on Monday in the Nasdaq. We don't expect any more losing trades, but hey, anything's possible. Traders, thank you for joining in. Please join me. I've got a boot camp for just very few of you. Only 3 people are coming. OMNIBootcamp.com is where you can fill out the applications. You can spend an entire long weekend with me in my home office learning the Omni for yourselves. You've got to go to OMNIBootcamp.com and fill out those applications because OmniCamp is at the end of the month. And if you don't fill out the applications, I don't know that you want to come out. Come out to OmniCamp Traders. It'll change your life, I promise you. And then there's this. Please keep your emotions out of trading. Keep using charts to tell you what to do because they're unbelievably accurate. And say this to yourselves all the time. Are you with me? Well, wait, let's back that up. Go to the webinar. Go sign up for that webinar link no matter what. Click the link below. That's most important. Then say this to yourselves over and over. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stop sore in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, emotions are out, stops are in. I hope to see you all at livewithoscar.com. Please be sure that you click the link below and see the free webinar this Thursday. Thank you for tuning in.